Fashion, 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 fashion. Ain't no player, I just got a lot of big, 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 got a lot of big. But let me tell you, I like you a lot. Got a lot of big, 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 got a lot of big. But let me tell you, I like you a lot.
This one is for the boy from the boomer system, top down AC, but the cooler system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on that like serve up.
Ooh! Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto. The ghetto.
What up? It's me, back on Q-Tip TV. And today, as you can see in the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Lucy Hair Company wig. So, this is a synthetic wig, but if you look at it, you wouldn't even be able to notice that it was a synthetic wig. It's like really, really soft. It is really like silky. Look. It's beautiful. I'm so excited. So excited! Look how it shake. Look at that. So don't mind my mannequin. It's been through some things. And I didn't have a tripod, so I kind of DIY'd. So yeah. This is the inside of the wig. This is how like Amazon wigs look, I think. And I think this wig was like $30-something. It's real affordable. Real affordable. Oh, no, what? This is why I need to put the candle right here so it don't fall. There we go. DIY, do it yourself. DIY, do it yourself. Really? Wig. Look. Of course, it came with the wig. And it came with, I don't remember which one is mine, because we went to the beauty supply store and got a stocking cap. Yeah, it came with a stocking cap, but I have my own. But still, it came with a stocking cap. I love her so much. I'm gonna name her. What we gonna name you? All right, I turned my ring light on because it was a little, I was trying to do like natural lighting, but I need my ring light, baby. We're gonna start plucking the wig. This is my first time plucking, but I looked up some YouTube videos on how to pluck, and it don't seem that hard. I figured out what we're gonna call the wig. We're gonna call it Cynthia. You get it? Because it's synthetic. I think that's a good enough pluck. See, it looks a little more natural over here versus over here. Mind y'all, I'm not the plucking queen. This is my first time ever plucking a wig, so it's probably not perfect. I don't know, but it looks better. So as y'all can see, Cynthia had a few complications, and by that I mean it got tangly AF, and that's the one thing about this wig that I did not like. But it's a synthetic wig, so what else can you expect? But other than that, I like the wig. But as you can see, when it got tangled and I combed it out, you can see the difference between how it looked and how it used to look. It's pretty obvious. I'm putting some foundation on my makeup brush, and I'm going to put some foundation on the lace to make it look more natural and more like my skin, if you know what I'm saying. Say hey, girl. See, you low-key got on my nerves today. I'm just tell you that now. Another day, I'm going to install the wig, and I think I'm going to include that in this video instead of making like a whole separate video on it. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I put this wig on my head for real, for real. Okay, so I spent how long just trying to get my eyebrows right? An hour and some change. I ain't like that. That took entirely too long. And they still don't look how I want them to look. You know? It is what it is. Girl, so the top of my spray was twisted. I didn't understand why. Why was it twisted like that? Let's get into it. I don't like that smell. I don't like how it feels either. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little hole right here because my ear needs to breathe. My ear can't breathe, baby. Need some air. I like the way you did that right there. I need to just ignore my best friend. She's distracting me. Come on, baby. Cut it. What are you doing? Make a hole right now. Now my ears can breathe. So now we're gonna cut this. Yup. We're gonna cut all of that off because we don't need that. We don't need that. Am I quiet, y'all? I don't know if I'm quiet because it's about time where the house is shutting down and everybody's going to sleep. So I'm trying not to speak loud. I don't know if I'm quiet or not. This is not a tutorial. This is not a tutorial because I'm doing this for the first time, but I look like calling it a tutorial. So I got my little sides down. I feel like it's supposed to be there. I feel like the whole head's supposed to be covered. But I don't know. I'm lost. I'm gonna keep it back there. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this. If you're watching this and I'm not supposed to be doing this, you probably laughing at me. Don't laugh at me. Cut it out. Stop laughing at me. So we're gonna take the foundation and my little makeup brush. Don't rush. Slow touch. That's what they be doing in the don't rush video. Ooh, that made me look like I'm glistening. Y'all, I know y'all see how pretty that looks. Like it looks like I don't know. Okay. Let me stop. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna close this because I don't want any more makeup getting on my blanket because I already got a lot. And then we're gonna do that. Yeah. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Yes, ma'am. I don't like that there's so much right there. Like, don't look at my eyebrows, please, 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 please. This is fun. I like doing this. Dang it, I had makeup on my finger and I got it on my blanket. Now we have, what did I name her? Cynthia or Syntheca? I don't know, something was sin in it. We gotta put her on. See, just to see, you know what I'm saying? What we got going on here, what we got happening. Oh. We love to see it. Look at Synthetica or Cynthia, whatever her name is. I don't even remember her name. Let's take her back off because I gotta put the got to be glue on it. Because I'm not putting any glue spot on it because I'm not planning on keeping it on for a long period of time. Like, Cash, you're doing too much. I'm like, shut up. Oh, you ain't doing enough. What is wrong with me? We got the got to be glue. Like I said, I have Ghost Bond, but I recommend like you put Ghost Bond on or like something more harsh when you're planning on keeping it on for a long period of time. I'm not, and I got the clear one because I don't like the white one because it's white and it's gonna turn white, and I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like 3 layers because honestly, just to be safe. Yo, my lip went flying with my head. Like, that's not okay. You want it to glue like to where it's sticky, because you don't want it like to be super duper like still wet kind of, but you don't want it to be completely dry. All right, so this part is very important because it just is important to be careful for where you lay the lace, because where you lay the lace is where the lace is going to be laid, and I want it laid right there. I want to make sure I got it right. Ooh, I'm dripping. See, my phone did exactly what I thought it was gonna do, run out of storage and turn off. That's exactly what it did. The hair out the way, I need to put this back in a ponytail or something. I don't have one of them edge wrap thingies for them wigs, so I'm gonna put this scarf on. Yeah, maybe a little ghetto, but you know, it's gonna serve the purpose and it's gonna do the exact same thing. Say it with me, guys, exact same thing. So we're gonna put that up there. It's gonna serve the purpose, and I'm just gonna leave that up there for a little bit. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all when it's dry. We're gonna work on the rest of the wig. All right, so I sat for a few minutes. It should be a little dry by now. Yep, it's dry now. It's dry. It needs to be plucked some more. I don't like that. Well, I'm not a professional. Definitely not. I don't know if I wanna do baby hairs or not. Cause sometimes I kind of like no baby hairs. I feel like if I do baby hairs, I'm gonna mess it up. Okay, so I can't really see my middle part, so I'm gonna pluck it a little bit and make it look more visible, like a scalp. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done with that. Okay, I plucked it a little bit and I put a little bit of foundation on it to make it look like a part. Did I do good? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Is it too wide? Is it too little? Girl, I don't know. But let me stop procrastinating, because I've been procrastinating from doing the most important part, like on purpose. Cutting the lace, bro. I'm scared because this is like the most crucial part about the wig is they cut like 3 lines in the lace, 3 slits in the lace. Take a little thingy. Usually it's bigger because they have the little eyebrow ones. I mean the hair ones. This is like a little eyebrow one because this is what I had. Okay, so I cut all the lace off. So now I'm getting the spray and I'm trying to like put it back down a little bit, because when I cut it off, it started like lifting a little bit or whatever. I'm gonna have to do baby hairs because the lace don't look good enough to be not doing baby hairs. That, y'all got in my eye. Y'all, it got in my eye. It got in my eye, like. Okay, y'all, so I cut the lace off. That was, I would say that was the most complicated part about the whole install. But I did pretty good for my first job, my first time. So see, like, it don't look that bad. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. Just get some of the residue around. But I'm proud of myself. Look, I did a pretty good job for it to be my first time. And now I think we're gonna do baby hairs just because, why not? So if I screw up the baby hairs, I'm gonna just end up like not doing any, and I'm just leave it like this, truly and honestly, because I feel like it's too much. I mean, I don't want to put like a whole bunch of baby hairs out, you know what I'm saying? I want to put like a cute little amount of baby hairs out, not too much, not too little. I just want to make sure I don't overdo it on the baby hairs, because I honestly hate when I see them girls with their wigs and their baby hairs be like, shoot, like that's too much. I might just say forget the baby hairs. That's really the icing on the cake though, but I might just say forget them, because I don't want to screw up anything by doing baby hairs when they aren't that needed. This synthetic hair, it knots and tangles so much, bro. Okay, I think this is enough. I probably pulled out too much over here. This did not just come out like liquid. Hold on. Let's see though. I feel like it's too much. I don't like that. Okay, since my mousse is being weird, I'm gonna just use Got to Be Glued. That's a little cute. That's a little cute. That's a little cute. Okay, not bad. Okay, we got the edges situation done. This side over here looks really good. I really like this side. Over here, it's alright. It looks pretty good too, but this is my favorite side. This side doesn't look much better than me. And I got my little sideburns. I'm so proud of myself. For this to be my first time, I did such a good job. It's a little time consuming, but you know, work hard, play hard. You know what I'm saying? So just to add like a little oomph. Oh. Liquid. Oh my god, guys, this looks so good. Can I get a period? Yeah, I heard y'all. Nah, I didn't hear that. Say it again. Period. Right. I'm literally so proud of myself. Time, hire me. Hire me. Hold on, let me put the hoops on. But yeah, I gotta end this video now because my phone is cut off plenty of times from low storage. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, turn on my post notifications, and leave a like and a comment down below under this video. If you want more hair installs, please comment down below and I will make that happen for y'all. Okay, this is what you're gonna see on Q-Tip TV. See you next week, if I post next week. Bye.
I wanna start at the top and the bottom of it. You wanna shoot it red at the bottom of it. You know I like when you ride